Today is 7th October 2020. See how attempts have been made to inject slow poisons in my liver uh, by National Investigating Agency and police who are injecting slow poisons in and Delhi police who are injecting slow poisons in my liver to damage my. Here is the mark. I'm Ravi, Section Officer in Election Commission of India. I raised corruption issues as a whistleblower, and every day when I sleep, the government-based intelligence agencies and the National Investigation Agency and intelligence agencies are injecting slow poisons in my body to damage my multiple organs like liver, kidney, eyes. They are even injecting drugging me, and they are infecting me with multiple animal and human vectors, and they are actually carrying out inhuman atrocities against me. It is just happening at the directions of Narendra Modi and Election Commission of India because I raised corruption issues as a whistleblower. They are deliberately trying to damage my body organs by injecting chemicals, by injecting slow poisons to damage my organs like liver, kidney, eyes, lungs, and they are even trying to damage my brain cells and nervous system by injecting slow poisons. I have complained that thousands of times before the Human Rights Commission, before the police, before the President of India, but everybody is lying because they are all trying to protect each other. Since some big names like Narendra Modi and Election Commission of India are getting caught, they are trying to anyhow declare me mentally insane on raising corruption issues as a whistleblower. While the truth is that the government of India is killing me just because I had raised corruption issues as a whistleblower, and my complaints as a whistleblower are pending in the Central Vigilance Commission. I was a UPSC topper. I topped Central Police Forces Assistant Commandant's examination. I topped in the engineering entrance of Manipal engineering entrance examination, from which Satya Nadella, the current CEO of Microsoft, has graduated from. I qualified medical entrance from Karnataka CET. I qualified the law entrance of India's best law college in LSIU Bangalore. I qualified the probationary officer examination of India's best bank, State Bank of India. I qualified income tax, central excise, and other and many other. I had many other academic achievements. I'm working as a gazetted officer in my office, Election Commission of India. I'm fulfilling my responsibilities and duties, whatever is assigned to me. I'm doing my work in a routine manner, but the government of India has left no stone unturned to anyhow kill me, to anyhow take my life, liberty, and livelihood. It is just happening because I raised corruption issues as a whistleblower. Today is 7th October 2020, and every day such attempts are being made, which are being overlooked by the National Human Rights Commission. Despite my thousands of complaints, the National Human Rights Commission or the police, they haven't even visited my home even once, and they are deliberately disposing of the matter at their end without even a single investigation that has taken place in this matter, despite the fact that I am writing such complaints for years, for consecutive years. So this is a state-sponsored murder of a whistleblower, which is happening at the directions of Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, and Election Commission of India. Thank you.